You've got an event coming up and you need a flyer. And the last thing that you want to do is open a blank Canva doc and wrestle with a bunch of text boxes. This is faster. Today we're using Vengage's AI flyer generator to go from workshop idea to print-ready flyer without any of the design struggle. It's perfect for marketers, workshop hosts, or anyone who needs something that looks good fast. I'll show you how to generate it from a single prompt, customize the layout, brand it, and export it in just a few clicks. Okay, so we are on Venngage.com, and first we'll go to design and then go to flyer, and now we're ready to use the AI flyer generator. Here is the prompt I'm using: create a professional, clean flyer for a digital marketing workshop, include workshop title, date and time, speaker photo, key learning outcomes, and a registration link. Use bold fonts, flat icons, and a modern layout suitable for printing and sharing online. You could also keep it really simple and just write flyer for a marketing workshop with date, speaker, and RSVP details. Venngage will still give you a solid layout to work from. Let's go ahead and hit generate, and it will begin generating our design. Okay, and done. We've got a clean, high-impact flyer layout with a header, event info, call to action, and visuals. And like always, you can click retry here if you want a different version. So now let's make this our own. We'll click customize here and go into the Venngage editor. So now that we're in the editor, I want to show you something super cool that Venngage offers. They have this AI autofill button here, and this works the best before you start editing, so you can instantly update all of this content on your own. It's like your own personal agent within Venngage. So say I wanted to change this event from a master digital marketing to a community reach out event, we can go ahead and autofill content, and then this agent will go and replace the content. And what's really nice is that it tells you what it's doing while it's working. So considering core elements, adapting the design template, mapping out the transformation, and now it's changing the visuals and the text. This is using all of the different AI tools within Venngage to create us a really awesome visual. So it's done generating. We have our title here, community reach out event, join us for a fun day. We have a nice little subtitle. We have a date, location, activities, and it keeps the same design. So if you change your mind or if you want to regenerate your content, this is an awesome tool to use. I just wanted to show you that quickly. I'm not going to use this, but we will continue on. So now let's focus on our Masso digital marketing flyer. So we can easily update any of this content. So for the speaker, I don't want Jane Smith. Let's go ahead and put Jenna Rodriguez, head of growth at Paper Trail. Next, let's visually break up the flyer. So we do have some icons here. If you wanted to update them, you could go to AI tools and generate icons. I could do a different calendar. So I can generate this icon. I'll keep it this style on auto, and it'll generate a few icons for me to choose from. And I think I like this one better. So we can go ahead and replace this one. I could just put it there. Let's delete this one and unlock it. Delete. I could do a new timer so that it matches better. Okay, these are fun. I'll go ahead and use this one. Unlock this. Delete it. I could put the new timer there. And I think these just add some more character to the flyer. And if you wanted to change any of your images, you could of course use the generate images button here under the AI tools. Now let's refine the copy using the improved text tool. You can shorten, rewrite, or make anything sound more professional with one click. So for example, instead of join us for immersive workshop covering SEO, social media, content marketing, and analytics tools to elevate your campaigns, all we would have to do is go to this improved text up here, and let's make this more professional. So that turns into join us for a comprehensive workshop focused on SEO, social media strategies, content marketing, and analytics tools designed to enhance your campaign's performance. I can easily replace this section and the text automatically updates. This is perfect if you're not a copywriter, but if you still want your flyer to sound polished and conversion ready. So the next step here would be branding. All we have to do is go to the brand kit here on the left side, add brand kit, and then enter our company name. I'm going to search for a company, just Thrive Agency. Click this, and then Venngage automatically pulls in the logos, the colors, fonts if they have them. We can confirm this, and now we have the Thrive Agency right in our brand kit, and we could shuffle through these palettes and make it really fit our flyer. We could also add their icons, so we could put the Thrive Agency logo here at the bottom, next to the CTA, and I think this looks really great. You can also fine tune, your spacing, your font sizes, alignments, whatever you want, but the AI gets you 90% of the way there. You're just applying the final touches. So now that everything is set, here's how to share. We can go up to this download button. You can download it as a print-ready PDF. You can export it as a PNG for online use, or you can also grab an invite link and drop it in your email list. You can also invite your team to edit it live if you're collaborating on the event. And just like their other tools, Venngage has accessibility features baked in. You've got WCAG compliant templates, contrast checkers, and more. So your flyer looks great and reads well for everyone. So this is our final flyer. I think it looks amazing. I love this image here that they pulled for us, and I think this is ready to share. So if you've got an event coming up, this is easily one of the fastest ways to make a flyer that looks like you paid a designer. With 100+ AI-powered tools and weekly editions, Venngage helps you move faster, look more polished, and stay on brand. Try the AI flyer generator for free. I'll drop the link in the description. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Maker Thrive channel. We post videos like this one every week. I'll see you in the next one.